rating gadgets on an S to F tier on a tier board. Okay, this is my tier board, and I'm gonna rank 10 different items on this tier board. Just made it, so let's try it out. Alright, our first item is the explosive sticky impulse grenade. Or, I forgot what it's called. But I'm going to put this at an A tier because it's useful to get away from people. And yeah. Second item is a firework. I think this is super useful to get away also. It's like you can like go grenade and do a bunch of different crazy stuff. And it does have some like, so if you're going up and you're falling, it like, here, I'll show you. Yeah, I'll show you. God damn. Like if you're falling, look it doesn't really bring you up in the air that much. So I'm gonna put the firework at B tier. The snowflake. I don't really think this is useful that much, but it's pretty cool to just like throw around everywhere. Like you can like climb up the board like that. It's kind of like mods, but not really mods. But I think it's pretty cool in my opinion. So I'm going to put this at B tier. The Yeti Claw. This isn't one of my favorite like items, but you can freeze people, which is pretty cool. Like once you hit them amount of times, it's like 3 or 4 times. I think it's pretty cool, but I mean, it's not that cool to me. But like you had to buy it from a bundle. I mean, it's not that cool. So this is gonna go at D tier. Next is the confetti cannon. In my opinion, this is one of the best items in the game. Let me show you why. You can get away from enemies super quick. You can shoot away, shoot in the air. You can do anything. There's nothing wrong with it. Nothing's bad at all with it. So this goes at S tier. One of the best gadgets in the game. Next is next is the sled. I think it's pretty cool. You can like it makes you quicker. This is me normally running, and this is me on a sled. You can even control where you're going, like just by your head. The coolest mechanics. Honestly, yeah, the sled is pretty cool, but I'm gonna have to put it. I mean, it's kind of high up, but it's like in the middle. All right, I'm gonna put this at C tier. It's fun to get around with, but it's a tiny bit slower. I did say it was faster, but forget that. The grapplers, some of the best gadgets ever made in Gorilla Tag. What am I thinking? In Yeep's hide and seek. Sorry, that was very weird. Let me show you why they're one of the best gadgets ever in. This is me trying to get up the wall normally. I can barely even do that. I'm horrible. But this is me with the grapplers. Look at how easy that is. That's some of the easiest thing I've ever done. So I'm gonna have to put that at an S tier. The teleportation ball. Yeah, it's pretty cool. You can teleport from long places. Like, you can teleport to different places around the map. But it does have some downsides. Actually, it does not have any downsides. This is going to go in an A tier. Because you can get away from the taggers, or whatever they're called, like, very easily. Like, see how easy that is? Like, pretend this is a tagger, and I'm running away, and I can just go like, see how easy that is? They're gonna run all the way over there. Like, actually, I might move the, actually, never, this is going at A tier. Let me. Alright, let me place it at A tier. That's super cool. Alright, that's all of the items. Go. And make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. See ya.